The battleship itself is 77 years old, and she fought in 3 wars, World War II, and then the Korean conflict, and then fired Tomahawk missiles, the big guns, at Iraqi positions during the Gulf War. I was a former crew member aboard Battleship Wisconsin. I served in the navigation department in 1990 and 1991, so I'm a veteran of Desert Shield and Desert Storm. The preservation of the battleship is exceptionally important because it is a piece of history, and we need to keep it from sinking so that people can enjoy it. The partnership that Nauticus has with Tidewater Tech has been tremendous in the preservation efforts that we're doing here now. Most recently, we've had students on board and helping us with deck drain issues. So many different things are going to get taken care of on the ship: welding, carpentry, the deck drains, plumbing, HVAC. It's all very important, and at the same time, students at Tidewater Tech are going to learn different aspects of their trade while also being a part of Battleship Wisconsin. Specifically to Tidewater Tech and the students, I want to say thank you very much, and I'm looking forward to a great many years of continued partnership between Nauticus and Tidewater Tech. Hi, my name is Nitka. I'm the Battleship Operations Manager here at Nauticus, featuring the Battleship Wisconsin.